Greetings everyone and welcome to the City of Culture. Today I'm at Chapel Street Cemetery in Eccleshill, Bradford. And to give you a bit of a backdrop, Swain and his team of merry men have been restoring unstable graves that are more or less dangerous for passers-by. So every Saturday he's been here with the volunteers of the Chapel Street Cemetery and helping out. All voluntary work obviously. But today we've got a special event. We've got elected members coming in because the Lord Mayor will be placing the first stone on the William Smith grave. Now if you look at this image, the William Smith grave, the monument has been on a tilt for quite a number of years and it was becoming very dangerous and concerning to the volunteers. So Graham has actually, well, took the monument into pieces basically, step by step, and secured the foundation with concrete. I'll just take you to the actual location so you get an idea, because they're already here putting up the A-frame, preparing for this important occasion, I'd say. And let me just go across, as you can see there, putting up the A-frame. So I hope you enjoy this event. I thought I'll just upload it. It's all part of history, and for any new viewers who have just connected with us, just check our content and do consider subscribing.
Welcome to the Chapel Street Cemetery. This is where all the volunteers, you know, probably 4 or 5 years ago, all this, you couldn't even see any headstones or anything. It were all overgrown, you know, really with a lot of trees. These are the volunteers, you know, what have made all this happen.
You've got a lot, haven't you?
Yeah, we've got a lot of it, but it has taken, you know, you have to understand how bad it was, you know, in the first place, you know. So, you know, the main thing is, from my point of view, that, you know, these people get thanked, you know, for what they've done, you know, for what effort they've made and things like that, and that. So we'll go over, put the stone on, right? This is the grave of William Smith, and what happened was, they must have got a seed must have dropped between the two headstones, and then the tree grew, you know, a holly tree, and basically it actually pushed the headstone over, you know, the monument over, and so as it were pushing it over, it snapped the foundations, and then the tree roots grew inside. That's it.
You're putting that on.
Yeah. No, you're putting that on. Yeah. We've actually got something to say that you're putting it on, right? So, wait a minute. I think it's got your name on as well. Yeah. So I think with the biggest name, she has to put most on, don't you? Right. Yeah, no, that's it. Now come this way. This way. Yeah. No. Start that way. Yeah. Yeah, doing all right actually. Keep going. Right. So do you want to do a little bit, Thomas? That'll do. And if we just go across there and then across there. Yeah.
Just copy mine.
Yeah.
Hang on, just hold it. Oh, no, no, you can put it down. Sorry.
So what we're going to do now, we're going to lift the stone up, okay? we. And you can just adjust it a few little bits, yeah? Okay?
Yeah.
Just, if you just stand back there out like that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we'll just have to push it back, yeah? Ready? Okay? So if you just come in, assist us. Wait a minute, John, wait a minute, slow down. Twist it. Okay? Yeah, yeah. What's your chains? Just hold on now. Have we got? Perfect. Are we all right? Yeah. We just need the spirit level. So this here is called a Lewis. Okay, so what we do, we drill a hole in it, we braid that in, and it opens it out like that, you know, and that's what holds it up. You understand, yeah? And very old, very old. Holds all that stone up. It's just got a pin, it's just a pin, and it tries to open itself, you understand? Yeah? Okay? Okay, if you can just do the thumbs up. No. Okay, no. Okay, and let's do it other way. Well, a little bit out where your husband put too much on, like, you know what I mean? But oh, just lower it down, John. Lower it down.
A bit more.
Perfect. That'll do. Yeah. Yeah. Right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to go have some tea and coffee, okay, and some very nice buns. You know, they are nice as well. And then what the trustees then are going to do, they're going to take you around the cemetery, and we're going to try to get our next stone over here then. Okay, I'd like to thank the Lord Mayor and the Lord Mayor Consort for attending today. I don't think it's one of our usual invitations. We've got Dr. Manoj Joshi, Deputy Lieutenant. We've got the 3 local councillors. You have to excuse me, I don't know your names. Sorry about that. I did research it, you know what I mean. We've got Nigel Wood, OBE. He's the chairman of Bradford Bulls, and obviously the main important people here are the volunteers. Another thing, what we're trying to do is that if we lose things like this, we're losing the heritage of our city. You know, there's so many stories here of what's happened to the people and things like that. When this first started here, you couldn't even see anything. You know, it was full of trees, weeds, and you know, things like that. Now it's a beautiful green space. You know, people can come, sit down, and really enjoy it. So what we're going to do now, we're actually going to try to move the next stone, so the Lord Mayor can do the next stone, right? So some of the trustees are going to take all the dignitaries round and explain really what we are. As soon as we've got our stone ready, we'll ask the Lord Mayor again if she'll give us some more form of assistance. Perfect.
Let's come back a bit, Journey, and swirl the cycle.
Just full faces like me. Right, got it. Got it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Right. Perfect. Okay, that's fine. Okay, just take that. Just take that. That little bit, yeah. Wait a minute. Ready? How's that? Yeah?
I'll lift it up.
No. Don't lift it up. It just wants twisting, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Ready? Go. Go on. No. You push it from that way, yeah? Yeah. Is that it? Careful. You just run that edge across there, yeah? Okay. There you are.
I never hold in my life.
No. You do everything with me in your life. That's it. Just put it like that, that's fine.
You have to tell me I'm doing it properly.
Yeah, you're doing all right.
Oh, the stones and stuff on. What do you want me to do?
Just right at the edge. Try to do it right.
Don't you be picking on me. I realised that I put my overalls on.
Perfect. Thank you. Wait a minute. Let me turn it round. This way is better. Okay, lower it down. Okay. Just stand on the boards. Here. Okay.
You want to
Road
come
man? Ready?
You have to push everybody?
That's it. That's it.
So,
I'll move it. Yeah, I'll move it in a minute. Yeah. No, it's all right. I'll move it.
do your job for you.
Yeah. No, well, I'm a bit worried about my job.
I don't think you'll be brave.
Can you put this on?
Yeah.
Okay, stop her now.
Anybody else want to go?
I'll have a go.
Yeah. Well,
Thank you.
There's always one.
Oh, you're breathing heavy.
I know.
Where would you like it?
Just along there. Yeah.
Just there?
Yeah.
On the stone.
Shy.
Hey, that's right. Yeah, on edge, like that. Yeah. On edge.
Baking cake.
Where is it? Oh yeah, Nora.
Where's Nora?
Nora.
Come on.
Come on.
Hey, don't move. Blink and then
Do you want me? Oh,
hang on a minute.
okay. Am I doing yours as well?
Yeah.
Hang on a minute. No, I can't.
Live online here, Nora, so get your best side. One more.
Right way.
One down, another 299 to go. So we've got every confidence in you get it finished by Christmas.
Yeah.
But also, can I pay tribute to the volunteers of this wonderful, uplifting social phenomenon. To take on what you've taken on is magnificent. To turn up and do it so generously of your time and no doubt resource is a credit to each and every one of you and a credit to the society that you represent.
So Lord Mayor, and where's the Lord Mayor consort?
He's here. No, it's always me. I've got a cup of tea now.
Right.
Put your tea
So-
down.
Thank you very much for coming. We've got a thank you card for you signed by everybody.
Oh, thank
But
you.
the main event today is the presentation of the plaque. Of the plaque.
You.
There we are.
Oh, lovely.
And if you want to throw it out of the car as you're going along, it's alright. There you are. Thanks for coming.
Jane. Thank
Thank you.
You just want to,
Hang on a minute, I'll just get you one.
if you bring it down a bit. Thank you.
And we hope you've enjoyed your couple of hours.